Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. Today in this video we are going to implement swapping of two numbers using call by reference function in C language. So let's start. In call by reference function, instead of sending values of a variable, directly we send their memory location. Pointers are used in this function to send address of a variable. If a and b are two variables, then ampersand a and ampersand b represents their memory location. So in call by reference function, we write swap ampersand a comma ampersand b. Now we shall discuss algorithm for exchanging two numbers using call by reference function. Algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions to execute a task. Here step 1 is start. In step 2 we will read two numbers of integer type, say a and b. In step 3 we will print original values of a variable a and b. In step 4 we will call function swap and provide an argument ampersand a ampersand b to function, which is nothing but address of variable a and b. In step 6 we will print values of a variable after exchange. Last step is step 7, that is stop. Now we shall discuss about flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. First, we will read value of a variable a and b as shown in input-output block. Then, we will display value of a variable before exchange. Later, in process block, we call a function swap ampersand a comma ampersand b. In subroutine block, exchange operation is carried out and final values are displayed using input-output block. Last step is stop. Always remember, in call by reference function, as location of variable is provided, hence value at respect to location is exchanged. Now we shall discuss actual program to exchange two numbers using call by reference function. Program always begins with standard library files such as stdio.h and conio.h. After that, we write call by reference function. Here, star x and star y are pointer variables, which will store value of a variable transferred from main program. Exchange operation is performed as shown in function. Later, in main function, we shall read value of a variable a and b from user using scan function. Further, we will print those values as before exchange values. Later, we will call function swap ampersand a comma ampersand b. After function call, exchange operation will be done. And we may print values of a variable after exchange as shown using printf function. Now we will execute the code using Turbo C software. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We will run the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, it is asking to enter two numbers. Let's enter values as 20 and 30. Thus, we have got output as a is equals to 20 and b equal to 30 before exchange, and a is equals to 30 and b is equals to 20 after exchange. Thus, we can conclude here values are successfully exchanged. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.